Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I've got some important news about HF propagation. I just watched this YouTube video from the Dr. Scove. She does solar weather forecasting, and near the end of her broadcast, she goes over the solar flux index and its effect on HF propagation. I asked her a couple years ago to please add that as related to amateur radio operators and shortwave listeners. She's done that. It's in every one of her shows. I appreciate that. And as you can see, the solar flux index is going up again, but if we go over here, this is another great website, WM7D solar resource page. Whoa, look at the solar. Now this is recent stuff. This is as of Tuesday. It's 132, oh my gosh. But the A index is 13. Now the K index is okay. You want these two numbers to be low. So the A index and the K index could indicate there's a lot of noise, RF noise also, which is going to interfere with your shortwave reception and your communications on the HF band. So even though we got a big number here, 132, we got this other big number. Hopefully this will come down. You can look at the graphs here. Lots of great information. Check out this web page. Here's the solar flux, which is the red. See, it's gone up. And then the sunspot number and the A index. I don't know why they don't show the K index. The A index is okay, and maybe the A index is more important to propagation than the K index. Here's the K index right here, which is blue. Blue? No, it must be black. Must be black. So, as you can see up at the top here, on the 14th, which is today, this is, most recent stuff. Here's the numbers. So turn on your shortwave radios and your HF transceivers and see if you can do some communications. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.